Imagine a time when the last star has flickered out. The universe is a cold, silent ocean of darkness. No galaxies, no nebulae, no cosmic fireworks. Only shadows remain. Black holes, drifting alone, the final keepers of a universe that has forgotten the warmth of a star. Today, we see a cosmos teeming with energy and wonder. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. It feels eternal. But physics tells us this age of light is just a fleeting moment. The universe is expanding, growing colder and darker. The fuel for stars is finite. Over trillions of years they will all die. Blue giants explode first, then yellow suns like ours fade, and finally, even the dimmest red dwarfs cool into darkness. The galaxies themselves will drift apart, their light never reaching each other again. Each galaxy becomes a lonely island in an ever-expanding sea of nothingness. The cosmic web unravels. The universe enters a new, profoundly lonely epoch. An age of darkness is coming. Only the silent gravitational monsters, black holes, remain. They are the last titans of creation. The universe's final act has begun. After the last star dies, the universe enters the degenerate era, a realm of stellar ghosts, white dwarfs, neutron stars, brown dwarfs. These remnants drift through the void, but even they are not permanent. Galaxies dissolve, gravity rules, and dead stars are flung into the intergalactic dark or spiral into black holes. Black holes become the universe's true inheritors, consuming the last matter. Even protons may decay, leaving only a thin soup of particles. Black holes are the final organized structures, the last act in the story of matter. For eons they drift in solitude, separated by unimaginable distances. The universe becomes a silent kingdom of darkness ruled by these lonely titans. The reign of black holes is one of profound silence and isolation. Imagine a supermassive black hole, once the heart of a galaxy, now drifting alone, an island of gravity in an empty ocean. All stars, planets, and dust are gone, consumed or lost to the void. These black holes are the last complex objects, each a self-contained universe of warped space-time. They hold the history of everything they've consumed, locked away forever. As the universe expands, the distances between black holes become unimaginable. Each is utterly alone, a solitary prisoner in the stretching fabric of space-time. But even black holes are not immortal. Stephen Hawking predicted they slowly leak energy. Hawking radiation. Over incomprehensible timescales they lose mass, particle by particle. This is the beginning of the end for the last kings of the cosmos. Hawking radiation is a quiet quantum process at a black hole's edge. Black holes emit a faint glow, evaporating over unimaginable timescales. The largest last the longest, but as they shrink, evaporation speeds up. In their final moments, they unleash a brilliant flash of energy. A last goodbye to existence. One by one, black holes vanish in silent bursts of light. Eventually, only one remains. The last black hole in the universe. It floats in perfect solitude, its slow evaporation the only event anywhere. Its final second is a tremendous burst, a defiant roar against the void. Then, it is gone. The universe is finally, truly empty. After the last black hole evaporates, nothing remains but a cold, empty sea of low-energy particles. No stars, no galaxies, no matter, just the quantum vacuum, the baseline energy of space-time. The universe has reached maximum entropy, the heat death. Time loses meaning. Nothing interesting can ever happen again. Is this the end? Or could a quantum fluctuation spark something new? Some physicists speculate the vacuum could seed another Big Bang. Perhaps every ending is a new beginning, an eternal cycle of death and rebirth. The last whisper of our universe may one day awaken a new dawn.